Along the shores of Florida's Atlantic coast lies a gateway to the stars, the Kennedy Space Center. The center is a testament to human ingenuity and courage, and it has served as a launchpad for some of humanity's greatest achievements. The Kennedy Space Center was born amidst the intense rivalry of the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a race to dominate space, a race that symbolized not just technological prowess, but ideological supremacy. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, stunning the world and sparking a sense of urgency in America. In response, the United States accelerated its efforts, creating NASA and initiating the Mercury and Gemini programs. The stakes were raised when Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth in 1961. For the US, the challenge was clear. They had to achieve what no nation had done before.
But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
President Kennedy's bold declaration was more than a scientific ambition. It was a declaration of American courage. The moon became the ultimate prize in this cosmic contest, and the Kennedy Space Center became the epicenter of that effort. As the Apollo program ended, the Kennedy Space Center adapted to a new mission: reusable spacecraft. The Space Shuttle era began, ushering in decades of innovation and exploration. From deploying satellites to constructing the International Space Station, the Space Shuttle transformed how we reach and use space. Today, the legacy of the Space Shuttle lives on through exhibits like the Atlantis Orbiter, proudly displayed at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Suspended as if in flight, Atlantis offers visitors a chance to get up close with a vehicle that flew 33 missions and contributed immensely to space exploration. Through interactive displays and immersive experiences, the exhibit educates and inspires future generations, showcasing the incredible achievements of the shuttle era. Yet, space exploration has always come with risks. In 1967, tragedy struck during a pre-flight test for Apollo 1. A fire inside the command module claimed the lives of astronauts Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger B. Chaffee. This heartbreaking loss led to critical safety improvements and reinforced the need for vigilance in every aspect of spaceflight. The later losses of Challenger and Columbia further reminded us of the immense bravery required to reach beyond our planet.
We've grown used to wonders in this century. It's hard to dazzle us. But for 25 years, the United States space program has been doing just that. We've grown used to the idea of space, and perhaps we forget that we've only just begun. We're still pioneers. They, the members of the Challenger crew, were pioneers. The future doesn't belong to the faint-hearted. It belongs to the brave. The Challenger crew was pulling us into the future, and we'll continue to follow them. We will never forget them, nor the last time we saw them, this morning, as they prepared for their journey and waved goodbye, and slipped the surly bonds of Earth to touch the face of God.
Through heartbreak and perseverance, the Kennedy Space Center continued to honor its mission, to explore, to discover, and to inspire. Today, the Kennedy Space Center stands at the forefront of a new era. Commercial partnerships have reignited the spirit of exploration, with SpaceX leading the charge. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX has revolutionized spaceflight with reusable rockets and ambitious goals. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket has become a workhorse, delivering satellites, cargo, and even astronauts to orbit. Its groundbreaking reusable boosters have dramatically reduced the cost of space access, paving the way for more frequent missions. The Kennedy Space Center is now the launch site for SpaceX's most ambitious projects, including the Starship rocket, a vehicle designed to carry humans to Mars. With each launch, the partnership between NASA and SpaceX brings us closer to a future where interplanetary travel becomes a reality. The Kennedy Space Center also played a vital role in the development and launch of robotic explorers like the Mars Pathfinder and its Sojourner rover. These early missions paved the way for more advanced rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, which continue to uncover the secrets of the Red Planet. These robotic pioneers exemplify how humanity's reach extends far beyond our own world, setting the stage for human exploration of Mars. Meanwhile, NASA's Artemis program promises a return to the Moon, establishing a sustainable presence and preparing for journeys to Mars. From Mars rovers to deep space missions, this is where humanity's next chapter begins. The Kennedy Space Center is more than just a place. It is a symbol of our relentless pursuit of the unknown, a bridge between Earth and the cosmos, and a reminder that our greatest adventures lie ahead. The sky is not the limit, it is just the beginning.